we go to Dusty because we're gonna have some fun.
We are. So why do you look crooked, girl? Guys, we are. It got dark. What the heck? Daddy's coming. Okay, sorry. We're team no sleep. Well, the kids slept, but Josue and I are playing an all-nighter. It's 3:30 in the morning, and I literally just finished doing my lashes. I straightened my hair a little bit so I didn't look crazy at the airport. And we're about to head out to the airport to go to Disney. So stay tuned for the vlogs. We got our Starbucks order. Now we gotta walk all the way back. It's far. Baby, wait, okay, Nathan? Wait. No. Okay, the airplane's about to leave. We're waiting for everyone. We're off, you guys. Oh. I'm flipping! Right in his face! Eating lunch at this place. I forgot what it's called, but it's right by the entrance. So right now we're just eating some lunch.
Nomás se los llevo, Gali, ya pues. You see it? Look, look at you, watch. Watch, Nathan. Watch on top.
There's also cake in here. Do you want the ice cream or the cake?
Ooh, there's cake in there?
Yeah.
I want to try.
Look, go.
Late night shenanigans. We're taking the cart back, but my cousins decided to give me a ride because I already walked back and forth. So I'm sitting here in the cart as they drive me. Oh, she let me go. My ride is coming to an end. We're back to the room and we got our pizza. What the heck? Oh, the kids are not gonna want to eat this pizza. Doesn't really have that much cheese. There's a lot of sauce. So we're gonna eat. Hopefully they'll eat it. And I just got them French fries. Sorry, Panda. Yeah, we're gonna eat, guys, and I have to unbox my pins. Guys, my child just broke my camera. I'm so sad because I was actually vlogging this trip. I actually vlogged at the airport and everything, and I was in the middle of filming my video, about to do my last 2 pins, and he literally broke it. Like the screen completely came apart. And he's just like, sorry. Only if kids understood like the value of things. Like, what am I supposed to say? So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my last pin. I'm gonna try it. Okay. There's a glare. The quality is like so different. But hopefully after all that, I get aerial because I need something positive right now. Bro, I'm so sad. $500. Okay. Wait, we got the same one. Bro. That's 4. That's 4 already. Oh my god. 4 Cinderella. I like you, Cinderella, but damn, like I wanted more pins, bro. I quit. This is my last video pin trade with opening pins. This is crazy. I got so many repeats. So many. Oh my god. Literally all of them are repeats today. We have like, this is everything. Let me show you guys. This is all that we got so far. 2 Cinderella, 2 Toy Story, 2 Pluto, Incredibles, and Angel, bless you. And I already have Cinderella over here and my sister has Cinderella. So this is my 4th Cinderella. The last one is just this Winnie the Pooh, which honestly, any of them I'd like because I don't have any of them. So I'm just gonna show you guys. The angles keep getting worse, but my kids obviously found me in the other room and just glare on the phone. I don't know why I didn't show on the camera, but there's really bad glare on the phone. For this one, I really want the piglet with the strawberry. It's so cute. I mean, honestly, all of them are so cute. This one would be so cute too, the 3 friends. So let's see. Let's see what we get. Last one. That one looks better than this. Oh, yeah, that's better. Let's see. Ee, boo-boo.
Okay.
Not one that I wanted, but it's so cute. It's looks cute though. Yeah. Oh my god, this one's actually like it's so big. Maybe I should see. This is like the worst. Oh, the worst quality and the worst unboxing ever. But this one is cute. I actually like it. This is our last pin. I don't know if I should keep this one or trade it. It's so cute, but I don't really love it. So let's see what we find tomorrow. I'm gonna put it on the traders and see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A total of 8 pins to trade, and I did want to purchase them tomorrow at Hollywood Studios. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes because today was clearly not successful. Not any of the pins we wanted. Bunch of repicks. Broke my camera. I'm done. I'm going to bed. It's been a long travel day. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.